This is the CoolPac30 packing instructions for the summer pack out 2 to 8 degrees. Place 1 Cool Gel 103 frozen on the bottom of the CoolPac30. Place 1 CoolPac30 PE sheet on top of the frozen. Place 1 Cool Gel 103 chilled on top of the PE sheet. Place 1 CoolPac30 inner product carton on top of the gel. Place 3 Cool Gel 103s around the CoolPac30 inner product carton. Now place 1 Cool Gel 103 chilled on top of the product carton. Place 1 CoolPac30 PE sheet on top of the chilled. And place 1 Cool Gel 103 frozen on top of the PE sheet. Place the CoolPac30 lid on and tape up firmly.